I do not feel well today.
We are at the doctor now. Will the doctor find something serious?
The doctor is checking everything. Wait until you hear what he says.
The doctor gave me a lot of medicine.
Grandpa is resting and taking medicine. Keep watching to see if he recovers.
I do not feel well today. Everything hurts.
Oh, honey, you have a terrible fever. I'm going to get you some medicine.
I have a cough, a sore throat, and a runny nose.
Hello. I need to make an appointment. My husband is not feeling well.
It's a beautiful day outside. I just need a moment. Then I'll be all right.
We are at the doctor now. Will the doctor find something serious? We wait in the waiting room. The doctor will see us soon.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Smith. I have a sore throat and a bad cough. I also have a fever since yesterday.
Take a deep breath, please. And again. Very good.
The doctor is checking everything. Wait until you hear what he says.
You have a viral infection, Grandpa. It is not serious, but you need rest. I will prescribe some medicine for you. Take 1 tablet twice a day.
Drink plenty of water every day. And get plenty of rest at home.
How long will he feel sick, doctor? Should I bring him back if it gets worse?
He should start feeling better soon. But yes, if it gets worse, please bring him back in. The doctor gave me a lot of medicine.
I fill the prescription at the pharmacy. The pharmacist gives me the medicine.
Here is your medicine and water. Rest now and you will feel better.
That is absolutely the worst tasting medicine they've come up with yet. Truly dreadful.
I make chicken soup for Grandpa. Hot soup helps when you are sick.
Grandpa is resting and taking medicine. Keep watching to see if he recovers. Today we learned medical words: fever, cough, sore throat, prescription, recover.
This soup is wonderful, Grandma.
I think I am feeling a little better.
I feel much better today. I have fully recovered. 3 key phrases from today. I do not feel well. Take twice a day. I have recovered. Use these in real life.
Always go to the doctor when you are sick. Your health is the most important thing.
And listen to your wife.
Next time Grandpa and I go to the market, you will learn all the shopping English. Bring your shopping list. Subscribe to Nana English Daily now. New English lesson every 2 days.
I am healthy and I will see you soon.